Well, here's cute, precious Piper in the office. Yeah, there's something under her. I think it's a piece of cardboard that I haven't picked up yet. Yeah, there's another one on the floor. Oh dear. She gonna inspect? Let's see here. Oh, she found even another one. I wonder what she's gonna do about that. Yeah. What's Piper gonna do about this messy cardboard? Uh-oh. Oh, she's gonna have a nice time playing with it. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty cute. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Well, that's pretty sweet. Yeah, she found a use for it. Oh, check that out. Well, it looks like that's about it. Yeah, she's done playing with that for now. There she goes.